Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be attempting SCP-049, suggested by Nightcore Gang. On my last video, how to make General Grievous's voice. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get directly into it. So, just open it up. Yeah, later. What you're gonna need is the vocoder, the resonator, the reverb, the pitch of the voice, the equalizer, and stereo. Once you have all those in, you can take excited. Don't forget, pause the video at any point if you need to wait a second to get the numbers, but I will be saying the numbers for the first one. What you'll need is mix to be at 50 and broken. This one right here. Next, for the resonator, mix 50. Time 25. Feedback 0. Volume 100. That's that one. Reverb mix 9. Room size 59. Next one, mix 100. Pitch 41. Humanizer off. It should be that off by default. Just keep it there. And for the second to last, mix 100%. Low frequency 30%. Gain low frequency 20%. Mid frequency 50%. Gain mid frequency 8%. High frequency 16%. Gain high frequency 20%. That was a lot of numbers. Yeah. Alright. So, that's basically it. If you think you can change something if you want, if you want to be more yours, go ahead and change something in it. You can change the deepness of the voice, what kind of robot-y, broken up kind of thing it is. Volume as well, that works too. You can add, I don't know, something else to it if you don't want to. If you don't like it, you make your own. And yeah, I'll get right into the demonstration.
I wasn't aware we had company. We rarely get visitors down here. I know you're in here. There's no need to hide. I'm here to help. I hear you breathing. I can see you're not well. A sickness has taken hold of you. Fear not. I'm not trying to harm you. I sense the disease in you. The disease that killed millions.
Well, that was that. Yeah. I think it's pretty good for what I could do. I can't for the life of me do a British accent, and my voice isn't like going very high without sounding like a dummy, so it needs to be a bit of a higher voice with a tiny bit of a British accent. I can't do that, but this should get most of it done. It's just a tiny bit of voice acting involved. Thank you to Night Gaming Core, I believe. Yeah, sorry, Nightcore Gang for the suggestion. If you want to suggest me something, you can ask me in either the comments section, or if you really want, you can join my Discord. I'll link you in the description. thank you so much for sitting through this long video I've made. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great rest of your night. See ya!